flying keys. Now, what did Caillou do today? Today's story is called Caillou Makes Cookies. This all happened when Caillou was just 3 years old. La 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 la. Caillou, you have to play quietly now. Rosie's gonna take a nap.
하지만 더 놀고 싶어요.
But I want to play.
놀아도 돼. 조용히만 하라고.
You can still play.
I just wanna get you off my grid. Sometimes I migrate.